azophumelela siyakukholwa Thando Mahlangu Thando Mahlangu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila ngawe Thando Mahlangu ilizwi lesintu indodana yomhlabathi sithi khubeka ungapheli amandla amandebele azophumelela siyakholwa Thando Mahlangu Thando Mahlangu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila
Akwande Mzansi ibizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu indebele lihlakaniphileko nelifundileko bakwethu sigadangisela eGood Life Studios nawufuna ukuzokuhlala lapha njengathi nawufuna ukugadangisa i-audiobook namkhana ufuna ukugadangisa ama-inspirational CD namkhana ufuna ukugadangisa ama-adverts ufuna i-voice over artist nasimniningwana angikhambi ngedwa-ke kazi ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku
Nginqobile ngwakwamasuku unaphenyani umntazana othengisa ku R573 Moloto Road akusilapho kuphela kazi ngiyatholakala konke nje nobuhlo obuthola lapha buyatholakala kimi ngitsho ku 079 084 7562 Mthando C
ahake bakwethu namhlanje sikhamba ne-Soccer Academy sikhamba ne-Sports Academy sikhamba ne-Sports Manager sikhamba ne-Sports ne-Talent Scouter sikhamba nomsunguli we-Shakes Rotating Tournament sikhamba nomuntu owenze ukuthi sibe nama-soccer players currently adlala ku-PSL amanye adlala ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle
unama
ngiyakutshela
sikhamba no Shakes Mashaba
bakwethu sinekutana sinetsitirimba sinengakara sinomdosi phambili lapha Shakes Kabini lotshani
Akwande Mr Mahlangu ndaba ezitha
sithokoza uzinzwa njani namhlanje
namhlanje ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi nami ngibe khona la ku Good Life Studio ngizokubika ukuthi mhlambe impilo yami ikhambe njani solo kabelethwako Lochizeno sesincobile nomhlonitsha uBobo David undaba ezitha
sithokoze khulu kwamambala Shakes ngifuna ukuthi sithome kuthomeni sithome la ithoma khona sithome la isuka khona bona Shakes obelethwa nguSifiso Kabini
Wow
yeah
okay
kakutshela ubelethelwa kuphi ubelethwa ngubani nobani
ngiyathokoza mina ngibelethwe eMatilberg ngomhla ka 1987 ngentweni zaka June ngibelethwa nguma uSophie Nduli
yes
no Kabini uDzwamari
ngiyafuna
ubaba sekalala uJohannes Kabini ngibelethela eMatilberg ehlamba abafazi then bese sasuka ehlamba abafazi saya eVezubuhle
yes
and then bese ngathoma lapho ngafunda esikoleni eMavula Primary School
yes
kula mhlambe into zami eziningi zathoma khona
eMavula Primary School
eMavula Primary School eVezubuhle ngakho nje sithanda khulu sithi eMavula Shakes Arena
yafuna
kula into eningi vele yathoma khona
yeah
ithonywa nguwe Shakes namkha ithonywa sikolo
ithonywa sikolo
okay
ngathoma mina ukufunda eMavula Primary School into eziningi ithando nethando lebhola ngalithola esikolweni ingakho nje mhlambe mangibona enkoleni angingasana bhola ukuzwisa ubhlungu mara ke ibizo lami lathoma lapho esikoleni Mavula ngadlala ibhola esikolweni bengiparticipate ngimona nje participate nangemculweni gymnastics bengenza yonke into ejamelene nini ukuzithabisa
yes okay and then high school watching up because the primary funde Mavula then from lapho movela to
yeah ama high school weVezubuhle ngiwafunde oyi2 ngoba kwaba nesikhathi sokuthi iVisible High
Yes.
bayikhatha ayisayiceli ku standard 8 standard 9
Yes.
Okay.
then thina sathi siku standard 7 lokho abasebenza ngama standard siku standard 7 basichange ke bathi iVisible High siyokuphelela ku standard 7 so ma standard 8 phela ichinga ehlonipha
Yes.
then sasoka ke sachinga ehlonipha kulanga cedela khona imfundo zami
Yes.
zaka grade 12 so bekuloko mangisesikoleni after school ngithatha ibhege ngichiye ekhaya ngichinge Paul esikolo ngiyokudlala ibhola
Yes.
so ithando lebhola lathoma lapho ukuthi mangisuke esikolweni ngiyachinga ku community ngiyokudlala ibhola ku Peace Hunters ePola Park so
Yes.
lapho bengingusifiso uPeter wakabini
Yes.
Okay.
uShakes lo musebe bangamazi
Peter.
yeah
Yes.
bengasi nguShakes by then and then
Yeah.
ngathoma ukudlala ku Peace Hunters ePola and then ucoach uCCV usifiso
Yes.
kwabo nguye mhla osikhojayo and then indlela ekade ngiphasa ngayo ibhola uShakes Khungwane emkhumbula bekayiphasa cala ecadi
Ngoba
Yes.
ushe isikungwane.
Shakes Khungwane bekadlalela iKaizer Chiefs.
yes
Beka blind. Kuthoma yena kuzuJabu Puli.
exactly yeah
Now baqathanisa ngeera yabo when nabadlalela iKaizer Chiefs.
yes so bese ucoach ke masendlala ku Peace Hunters then ucoach what no man wena uphasa njengoShakes
Yeah.
igama la kaShakes lithoma lapho ke ngalithiya nguSifiso CCV
Yes.
ngokwamahlangu naye
Yeah.
so
Ngiyabonga.
igama la kaShakes lathoma lapho ke bangibiza ngoShakes ngisadlala sadlala ibhola and then while ngisadlala ku Peace Hunters bekiloko ngiorganize ama tournament ngiwenzele evuka ngiwenzela ethemba lethu ingakavuki iShakes rotating tournament sengikwenza nje
Yes.
ngokuthuthukisa ukuthi ngeweekend kube nento esiyenzako
Ngiyabonga.
and then bese ke makuloko ngidlala ngiba ne injury yedolo injury edolo so bengidlala ngophini cap so mangiloko ngidlala
Handicap leni bophala.
yeah ine cap
Ini cap.
Intonyana le ejika ukhona ukuyimuva le edolweni.
Le ngathi kotlelwa.
yeah mawuyimbatha isupporta mawunenkinga edolo umbatha yona bese iyalisupporta kuthi ukuthi ali ngapha nangapha iyakhona ukulibamba
Okay.
yeah and then bese angachubeka ngadlala ibhola while ngiorganize ama tournament and then saba ni World Cup ekhaya
Yes. 2010.
2010
Okay.
saba ni World Cup i-World Cup yadlala FNB yadlala kuphi nakuphi indawo ngokuhlukana
Yes.
nebepolokwane bese ngo-2012 ngathi no man ngcono ngivuse into ebathi rotating esuka la ikunqubile mayisuka kunqubile kundawo ezi
Okay.
ngoba mabeza kimi kuphela bonakala ngathi beza kimi kuphela sikusupport umuntu oyi-1 mara abanye abakhona ukuzenzela so ngoba mina ngisakhona ukudlala ibhola ngcono nje ngenze i-rotating tournament ngenza amaphaliswano ikwandebelele yonke indawo ngokuhlukahlukana nama-business people mhlambe abafuna ukuthi sibaphakamise
Yes.
babisele ngimphakathini
Ngiyabonga.
and then bese kula kathoma khona i-Shakes rotating tournament ngathoma ngahosta i-Park School Games
Oh yes.
kababa ubhaho
Yeah.
ngathoma ngayo ke emakhaya bangahosta yona mara ke kwaba ukuthi while ubhaho sikhona sidlala la kuma tournament waba nombono ukuthi man siyadlala kuma tournament mara asiphambili nama player adlalako nje la akayiphambili then wathenga iPalmaros
Palmaros.
Yini
Yes.
Palmaros?
Palmaros.
yeah then wangibiza ke wathi Shakes sibonile siyadlala emakhaya mara sikhathi ukuthi nathi kumele sikhule ngakwebhola
Yes.
siphambili and ukukhula kwethu kuzokhulisana nabanye abasana basadlala ibhola
That's right.
then bese waba nesichema ke se-ABC Mutsipe iPalmaros beyiphethe iPalma the late PA iPalma umoya wakhula ngokuthula then sathoma ke sadlala ngaphakathi kwe-ABC Mutsipe eNorthwest
Yes. Ngoba ndlala streaming seNorthwest.
ngihlala eStreaming seNorthwest
Yes.
so ngiyo ke into eyathoma ke yangifaka ngaphakathi kwe-organized football sengizihlanganisa ngizibeka zethu ukuthi ngibe ku-organized football begwethu ngikhumbule nekhaya ukuthi ilutsha lekhaya kumele silikhuthaze ukuthi lidlale ibhola ngoba siyazi lapha kugcwele inyawo
Ngiyabonga.
so if ever sokuhlala singenzi next then kuthi ukuthi sithi abakhambi bokuhlala lapha kwaMhlanga
That's right.
Eh,
Yes. So, okay. from a high school we are move out uba part of iPalmaros eseNorthwest usuka eVezubuhle yokuhlala eNorthwest.
Yeah, kunendawo ubaba uThombeni.
Yes.
Kunendlu ePhilip Nel Park.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh
ePhilip Nel
yeah.
Park kula kwi-club house
Yes.
kwi-club house sihlala khona ePhilip Nel Park. Then sijimela khona eTUT.
Yes.
Sijimela eTUT kunye mhlambe sibuyele ekhaya sokujimela eSolomon Mahlangu. Ingakakhabi eSolomon Mahlangu ukuthi ibe sezingeni leli.
Yes.
Besakhona ukuthi sikhona ukujimela khona.
Wow.
Then bese besihlala khona ke Philip Nel Park. Then bese sisuke sikhamba sodlala eNorthwest hlala.
Yes.
Then sayidlala for 2 seasons abuya Msuthu ne season abo Polokwane City.
Oh.
And
Yes.
then by 2019 before kufika uBucks athola ama partner
Yeah.
kwavela uKezwel Mokanzi.
Oh yes.
Then
Yes.
bese that's when ba change ngo 2019 sele athola ama partner uKezwel Mokanzi. Naye bekane partner yakhe then ba change kwaba iCasrick ngo 2019. Then sadlala ke 2019 sayithumba iNorthwest League.
Yes.
Sakhamba saya eCape Town.
Wow.
Then masifike eCape Town sadlala ama playoffs. Then saluza ama playoffs. Saluza igame ukugcina. Igame kumele sifake ngaphakathi kwe-NFD.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sayiluza ke game leyo.
Yo.
Then bese then ba decide abo Thombeni nama partner ukuthi no. Bona bayaphumula kancane ebholweni. Then mina ngachokela phambili ngaya ku Platinum City Rovers.
Yes.
Bekuyipulukwane City by then. Pulukwane City Rovers. Uchairman uTizer Demo wangibiza wathi no man. Ngibone unekhono ngibone ukuthi mhlawumbe ungeza esichimini.
Yeah.
Uzongisiza. Then nga 2020 ngabereka ku Platinum City Rovers njenge team manager.
Yes. Wow.
Sabamisana sazama ukuthi promote sise ku Mutsipe Foundation ingakabi Mutsipe.
Obidlala ku ABC na.
Bedlala ku ABC
Okay,
Mutsipe.
yes.
By then iMutsipe Foundation bebabiza ngeGlad Africa.
Oh.
Bengakabi ukuba iMutsipe Foundation.
Cha, ibe nama sponsors ay3 ne.
Yeah,
For ama headline amathathu.
Ke yaba imvela.
Yes, yaba ithome yaba
yeah,
mvela. Then yaba iDread.
Yaba iDread.
Kwaba negame.
Kwaba negame.
Yes.
Kwaba ABC.
Kwaba iMutsipe Foundation.
Kwaba
Oh,
iMutsipe nje.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Then bese ke ngathatha amasokane ekhaya.
Yes.
Ukuthi okay mantata badlala ku tournament am. But ngiyabona banekhono and ngine position ngale ukuthi ngingaba sign ukuthi baye phezulu. Then that's when ngizathatha abontokozo Mthweni lo phosa khulu Casrick.
Yeah, indoda iyajikjela yo.
Ngibe ngiba introduce ku professional level.
Wow.
Ngabathatha ekhaya. Elias Mukwana namhlanje ku South Arabia.
Yes.
Ngale kwaMalandli.
Yeah.
Ngamthatha tournament nami ngikhumbula ngamthatha musi ngasingomthetho ni.
Hawu.
Ngabe kuyi lockdown.
Yes.
Ngabathi zonke izinto kumele zivalwe.
Yeah.
So ngabathi ibhola lesayithanda.
Ngiyavuma.
Ngathi hayi man.
Yeah.
Ngenza iplan ngakhukhuta ngathi mina mabantu bamba ukuthi kose babambe mina.
Yes.
Ngale kwaBhago ngale kune ground linye ngale mawudlula ukuphola ngaphezulu.
Yeah.
Kune private school then kune
Oh
ground.
yeah, ngiyalibona ground.
Yeah, sathi hayi man la. Ihlike khula. There is no way amasotsha la boys. There is no way akafika akhaba ku main road. Kuma makasifuna ukusangenelele ngaphakathi unless bane tip off.
Yes.
So ngenhlanhla wawona amaphoyisa la musina abanesizungu.
Bayithanda ibhola.
Bayabuza ukuthi mara kanti ndlalaphi? Kanti sizifihle ngale sidlala lapho ke.
Yeah.
Then sadlala ngenza ama tournament khona lapho. Elias Mukwana adlalela iClub iSun City.
Yes.
iZambia 11.
Yeah.
Wathoma ke wadlala ku Team General wadlala ka uMdledle. Bayi makuloko ngilapha ngibukele ngambona ukuthi hayi man. Umsana lo Jamano. Into umuntu esimthlokayo lapha ku Platinum Rovers. By then besiceda ukuluza uThabang Rakwena uBen 10.
Yeah, Thabang Rakwena nalithobela.
Yes, that must dlala i-season leyo. I-season leyo and then saluza uThabang Rakwena. Wathola i-opportunity ku Jomo Cosmos.
Yes.
Then sachoda ukuthi sifuna umuntu oyomreplace.
Yes.
I-winger.
Yeah.
That's when ngathatha uMkwana ngathi nangumuntu ongamreplace uThabang Rakwena. Ngamtshela uchairman mangifika kuye ngathi umuntu
ufika ku Platinum.
Platinum City Rovers.
Okay, yes.
Ngamtshela ngathi chairman umuntu okureplace uThabang Rakwena nangu.
Yo.
Kidio Mokwana samsayina-ko Kidio-ke sachinga sayiwini i-Northwest sakhamba saya i-Nelspruit
Yes.
sapromotha-ke sangena ku-Glad Africa
Yes.
sathi masingena ku-Glad Africa
Wow.
adlala-ke isizini uKidio-ke zange ahlala isikhathi kithi ngoba siyazi ukuthi mawungena ku-Glad Africa kune-Nedbank.
Yes.
Of course.
So
of course.
i-Nedbank last 32 mabasidraw basidraw nesikhukhune.
Yes.
So mabasidraw nesikhukhune dlala nabo ePotchefstroom. That's where igama laka Kidio Mokwana lapha ngamakugcina. Wangena ngaphakathi komswana ngabathi nguJampisi.
Yes.
Wow vele sadraw 1-1 sayidla ngama penalty.
Yes.
Kula isikhukhune ke sathi umsana lo siyamthatha. Indlela nje yakhama into zakhe zakhamba lula nje.
Okay.
Na Platinum Rovers sangadlali.
Ufuna siye kabuthaka, this thing is huge.
Yes.
Udiscovera Elias Mokwana
Yeah.
while uyi-team manager ye-Platinum City Rovers.
While ngithi manager
Yes.
Platinum City.
And lokho bekuyi-lockdown kodwana ni organize ama-games ngale ngomhlanga wenzela ngasese.
Ngamswezela ngasese yeah.
So now kusho ukuthi i-lockdown yabereka for u-Elias Mokwana.
Yeah.
Yeah, too much.
So nguwe bo-organize i-tournament ngale or njani?
Bekungimi ngorganizer ngoba vele ngimi umphathi wama-tournament. So ngathi masivala mabasivala sabathi kuyavalwa konke.
Yes.
Kula ngathola iground ukuthi leli sehohoma ejeni ngeze basithola la. Sadlala ngapho vele ama-tournament. So sathoma kancane, sathoma ngo-top 8, sakhuphuka then up until sidlala top 16. Ngathatha nabo Mtokozo Mthweni abo Pelvis Madonsela. Nebambiza nguTeko. Ngabathatha ngobuningi man.
Nayokudlala.
Saya ku-Platinum Rovers ngabahlihla khona.
Jama Shakes. Kidio ula akhona today, it's because of you.
you.
Yes, ula khona namhlanje.
But does he recognize that?
Yeah, wakangibhalela message ya wathokoza ya.
Message kuphela.
But at least it's something.
Yeah,
No, it's not something. It's
Gala.
It's something.
It's
I mean,
something. For me, it's something. Why ngitsho
Okay,
njalo?
yes.
What about lo othulako obona ngathi vele bekufanele ngibe la ngikhona? Because of kugijima mina gijimi yena. At least nakabhalile message ukuthi hey man Shakes bangisayinile, thank you very much. It's something than
Ala
ukuthula.
namasuku. uShakes umthatha la adlala khona. Ibhudango lakhe ukuthi avelele uKidio,
Yeah.
right? But umuntu ovula umnyango nango
Of
uShakes.
course.
Umvulela umnyango ku-Platinum City Rovers.
Yes.
By playing there ubonwa isikhukhune because unekhono udlalile more.
Yes.
Siyamthatha ngisho isikhukhune. Yes. From lapha ama-opportunity akhe ayavuleka.
Yes.
But umuntu omvulela umnyango nango.
Yes, angikwalokho. uShakes umvulela umnyango.
Yes.
And I think main purpose ka Shakes ukuthi abavulele vele iminyango babe out there.
yes.
But babuya benza, like, are they coming back and assist you kuma tournament? What is their contribution? Because bahola now. And nabo bano ukuthi bangavula amanye ama-opportunities. Okay, so far Shakes, Elias, i-contribution yakhe in what you are doing, in.
Okay, fine, Jam. Why kufanele contribute?
Why?
Yeah.
Because
Omunye umuntu angazibuza lokho ukuthi okay nginomndeni kufanele ngiwondle ene kugijime mina egroundini. Yes, yena ungithethe wangibeka on ungithethe wangibeka on a spotlight.
Yeah.
And of which naye nomuntu phela nabakuthatha kothando bakubeka lapha bathi sikhombise ukuthi uphetheni. You must go all out ukuthi omunye umuntu akubona ngitsho.
Yes.
So bakuthatheke ube out there. Ukuthokoza akufani, abanye bayathula. Omunye uyabhala ukuthi thank you very much, ngila ngikhona is because of you. Give me it's something than lo othulileyo. And izinto asizenzi ngokufana sizicabanga ngokufana. Angekhe ngathi ngoba ungithethe wangifaka la can keep 10 grand or can keep 5,000 ngithi uzafaka esikhwameni. Omunye ucabangela umndeni uyi-breadwinner ayedwa thola nguye yedwa ekhabo berekako. Nayo keep 5,000 leyo kunokhunye okuthodako ngapha.
no, but ezinye namasuku kufanele sizicabanga.
Unless uthi wena babe available nakenza a final thing, let's say bazokuhlangana nabantu ababathandako ababalandelako, something like that, cause ba available. I think ngikho ekuzoba much
No, I
better
think
for
mina they need to do
me.
more.
Yeah, abantu
So-
abantu ehlangane nabo esibambisene nabo vele bayaba khona amatalent bazosupport
Like-
abomkwana.
Supporter in terms of okay, yes, izokubukela ibholo. Hayi mina Shakes, no. Hayi for mina phela because like
ekugcineni kwelanga
yes,
mina into le mangiyenzayo
yes.
ngenzelela ukuthi amasokana ekhaya abadlali
Ngiyavuma.
abanekhono ekhaya
Ngiyavuma.
baphume baye phambili.
Yes.
Ngoba ayicala i-tournament engiyenzako le, not only abomkwana kunama player akhulele kiyo
Exactly.
adlala kiyo nanoma bangakathathwa ngimi ukuthi baye phambili,
Yes.
mara bakhonile ukuthi while i-tournament idlala ibhola labo libe khona bosanele
Exactly.
phansi
We understand.
abothemba Ndlovu,
You see?
ulokanjwa le kwaGafontein wakamthwe
Azibapakululeni one by one.
Mbonani
Yes.
bakhulele nje ngaphakathi kwe-Shakes rotating tournament,
Yes.
babantu abadlale kiyo then bathola amadlela akuhlaza nanoma bona bangakathathwa ngimi per se, mara
You created a platform.
bakhulele ngaphakathi kwe-rotating.
Of which
It's
is a
like
great
what a
thing.
good life is doing now.
Yes.
Yes,
It
you know.
created a platform for us to come here and
Correct.
do our podcast.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tina, esikwenza ngisho siyatsho ukuthi sirecorda eGood Life Studios.
No, Namasu.
What are you saying?
I'm saying, Mina,
Yeah.
if someone gives you an opportunity
Yes.
and that particular person is still doing the same thing, so which means kunabanye abadlali abasahloka ukuthi bangadiscover,
Exactly.
you know, Elias Mokwena currently une opportunity ukuthi angahlangana na someone else oneskiya somunye umnyango ukhuluma na that person ukuthi no man, I have Shakes Kabini organizer this, nami ningibona ngidlala la today, it's because of Shakes and ngadiscoverwa lapho wangithatha wangisa somewhere. So how about we go back to la kudlala khona i-tournament ka-Shakes, uyazi ukuthi uShakes uyenza nini.
Yes.
They go back there with those people, you know. Abantu abona babona amanye ama-players, they are able to say, okay, musilo ngamthatha ngiyo. You understand?
Yes.
And another fact ukuthi ama-brands sewa-associator no-Elias better or bangamuzwa better because already uphezulu and usadlala i-soccer ke on another level. It's easy ukuthi arrange ama-meetings for uShakes to pitch the tournament.
Of course.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, ngiyakugeta mara angigetisisi. Abanye abantu yeah, angimgetisisi.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Abanye abantu Shakes umbereko wakhe yena uthi kudlala ibhola. Nakathoma athi yokukhuluma angekho make sense. Yes, angamtshela umunye umuntu ukuthi hey kuno Shakes,
Yeah.
Shakes Kabini.
Yeah.
Ugood ebholweni akasigude ekukhulumeni, akasigude to convince.
Uyahola, contributor ngemali then. Angisho ukhona ukukhuluma. Contributor ngemali. Don't just
Asibuyele
come and
ku-Shakes, asibuyele
Shakes,
ku-Shakes.
let's go back there. Oh yeah. But what I'm saying mina Shakes,
Yeah.
ne?
Yeah.
Currently u-operator njenge-agents for my players. U-operator njenge sports soccer platform. Yabo? You need to have indlela mhlambe uzoyitlola phasi or fanele ukuthi wonke umuntu ozokudlala there. Fanele nakaphuma lapha ya somewhere abuya azocontribute.
Usho ukuthi
Yabo?
akhumbule ekhaya.
Okay.
Akhumbule ekhaya.
Siyamuva ke kuKidio ne Kid ne Kido. Kidio bizo
Kidio.
Kidio.
Okay,
Okay. Elias buyela ku Shakes. Yo contribute ku Shakes tournament. Uyazi ukuthi u develop from there. uShakes ukuvulela iminyango. Open doors for others so that igama lakho naselichinga past labo obagugile bakwazi ukuguga now. That's what I'm saying. Okay, from lapho wa develop ubani.
Yeah, from lapho ke ngachubeka i-Platinum Rovers
Yes.
awuloku idlala, then kwaba ukuthi abo baphombeni bayabuyela ebholeni ke.
Yes, yes.
Noma sha ukuthi Castrike iClub angikhethi kwaNdebele, then kwaba ukuthi angiba ukuthi ngize sobambisana then.
Or approach back usese sports manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
Phela umuntu kade bengeze ngacalana no Bucks elo kanjeni. Kimi ngibabami ngoba
Ngiyavuma.
ngilethando lebholo nje nguye wangifakako ebholweni.
Okay.
Yeah, and then bese na ku professional level setup makathenga nje iPalmaros nguye wasibuthaka ekhaya. Babaningi abadlali ekhanga baphumelele ekade afisa ukuthi baphumelele. Yeah, and then biko bangengindlela ukuthi ngiwe uplatinum naye ku
Then nabe ngaphandle ngiyaqala.
bese sicalane. Yeah.
Hawu kuyoba into emnandi khona for mina.
Ngathoma ngakhamba ke ngakubereka khona la ku platinum ku Casric.
Yes.
Casric Stars abathengi status ngo-2021.
Yes.
Ngabereka khona. Then i Platinum Rovers iklub yami leyawo ya relegate.
Mara Shakes.
Ayisekho nje
Yes.
Ayisekho like yini la ndlala khona?
neto kuhamba kwami
Ayisekho kumutsipe.
Umutsipe.
ayisekho kuMutsipe ayisekho ku ABC Mutsipe
Yo.
neto ku relegate kwayo vele kwaba
Kwaba
ukuthi
kuphela.
Kwayo.
yehlela phasi. Mara ke uchairman akhona we always talk
Yes.
then ngabereka ku Casric
Yeah.
up until kufika la basikhatha ke thina ke bathi ne abasana budget esinye
So
staff.
bowenzani ku Casric?
Bengibereka njenge PRO marketing nokuthi nje kube nesekele stadium. Yeah. Ngizama ukumobilize abantu then ngithengisa nengikipa lezi Casric ama tracksuit.
Yes.
Yeah, bengibereka njengalapho and then bekune reserve team i Corinthians. Yeah. Bengibereka kiyo njenge team manager.
Wow.
And then go 20 season leya ya 2022-2023. And then that's when ngiqhubeka ngama tournament. Yeah, and then bakhathi staff ukuthi abana budget for certain stuff. Then ngaqhubeka nge-Shakes rotating
But
tournament.
they still need the PRO though.
Where?
Ku Casric. Because uShakes njengoba cho beka operator njenga someone or encourage ababukeli
Ama supporters.
supporters.
Yeah.
you know i-merchandise akhona ayenza ukuthi be visible and na kuma social platform beka visible.
Yeah.
You know because mina I knew iCasric through uShakes.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula
yabo.
vele umtshela ukuthi kune nangwazi nokubiza. Ngangifundisi.
Yes. Okay. So now ngaphathi kwe-Shakes rotating tournament
Yeah.
ama-players esela out there whether akumutsipe or aku-PSL or angaphesheya kwamalwandle owadevelopileko with your platform or you by taking them ubafake lapha bobani.
Yeah, kancane
Yes.
akuhamba ama-player kuphela.
Yeah.
Nenhlapa nje ezidlala
Wow.
ngaku-rotating zathoma ziyakhuphuka. Season epheleleko i-home culture ingene ngaphathi kwe-ABC Mutsipe.
Yo.
Say one step to iMutsipe Foundation.
That's right.
Nje we've got iPhaphama
Yes.
edlala nje
yes.
ngaphathi kwe-rotating.
Yeah.
Ipromotiwe iwina ama-playoffs iyokudlala ngaphathi ku-ABC Mutsipe.
Ku-ABC.
So bring with
Ipopopopo.
yeah, so
Yes, sir.
ithembisile nje as large senamatlapa ayi-3 iShimandela i-home culture nePhaphama.
Yes.
Oh jama lenye yini?
Ishimande.
Ishimandela yasemloyo.
Shimandela.
Yeah.
Ngemloyo.
Yasemloyo. Even though yona
Mara
ke
nayibhayiziseke kancane man kuma playoffs ne.
yeah, sometimes badinga ilwazi. Sometimes
Yes.
ungabi nelwazi le-ABC Mutsipe.
So ucabanga ukuthi babethwe yinda.
Babethe ilwazi.
Ilwazi, knowledge.
Le-ABC Mutsipe
Knowledge
ngoba
is power.
at some stage they were number 1.
Yes, that's what I know.
I-ABC Mutsipe league yi-league vele nje ekumele uyibulldoze.
Ne.
Mara wayilanda nje lula. Awa. Uyingcala ukuthi bayagrob. So
Kwenzakalani nokucabanga ukuthi
Because I heard ukuthi azange babakora ama goals nabasadlala la but nabafika le then baluza nje kancane ukuthi lezi ezinye zidraw and stuff.
yeah, okhunye sometimes ongabi nesekelo okukhulu ekhaya le kwaNdebele. Nakho ngikho
True.
okwenza ukuthi amaklabhu ekhaya angaphumeleli masinyana. Ngoba bebadlala nephezulu. Phezulu beyiphethe benembonds ezi-right. So they treating ama-players wabo kuhle, bahola kuhle and then bakhona ukuthi bawin i-league bahlule iShimandela. Then iShimandela yaphuma ku-number 3.
Ish.
Even though iphezulu yagcina iluzile amalo kanjeni. But ongena kwePhaphama ne-home culture and then bese nabo makhalana bethu kwaNdebele United. So all in all kwaNdebele sinemhlaba ezifo ngaphakathi we-ABC Motsepe. So phezu kwe-4 enhlaba we stand a chance ukuthi we can have another PSL team mangawathola isekelo. And yabona neThembisile municipality they trying by all means ukuthi bathola ama-facilities. They are busy
yes
kwaGafontein Stadium.
Really?
Yeah, kwaGafontein Stadium izoba ready nje Phaphama Home Culture Shimandela bawudlalela khona besihleli no ses already nje 2 weeks back.
yes
Aba ashora ukuthi angeke nitsa travelela cala mse ba travelela to eFalbank
Yeah.
bayodlala khona.
Yo.
So ziba
ifola
ziningi
ngaphasi kwe-Dr. JS Moroka.
seyifola ngaphakathi kwe-Dr. JS Moroka. So nje sebazokhona ukuthola ithuba ukuthi badlalele eKwaGafontein.
Wow.
So umbereko umuhle bawenzako ngaphakathi kweThembisile municipality executive mayor nobaba uDumsani Mahlangu.
Yeah.
So benza umbereko omkhulu. So iphaphama and then bese ama player we've got a player obviously umuntu manje mangakahlili contract ngoba ukuthi akumelanga simmemezele but there's a player kade balibona ngaphakathi kwe-Shakes Rotating Tournament.
Yes.
He's a top player uyodlala ngaphakathi kwe-Casric this season.
Yeah.
Bazobona
Yeah.
bayisisa ukuthi sibebezele igaba lakhe then
Yeah.
mara kunomdlali kade babona kaku-rotating ebombona ngaphakathi kwe-Casric Stars.
Yeah.
Nenabadlali abaningi nje basesekuMotsepe Foundation. Then njengoba kuyi-off season nje ngivule i-Shakes best 11
Yes.
ngabuthelela abadlali laba abagood siyababuthelela.
Oh.
Then njengoba ke ngabereka ku-professional
Yes.
mawubereka ngenza ubudlelwano namanye ama-team owners, team managers ukuthi ngibakokodele.
You see?
Ngiyabakokodela-ke nje mina-ke ngiphethe
Yeah.
isikhiye ngiyabakokodela.
Exactly.
Last week ihlale neLerumo Lions. I-aim akusikwina obviously
Of course.
ukuthi baba manginomunye bamchazileko bamthatha.
Bamtsumula.
Yeah, kusasa nje sidlala neLerumo Lions eRustenburg.
Wow.
I've got i-support kusikhosana lapha eVezubuhle.
Yes.
Sikhosana.
Yes.
Usiprovide ngama-taxi i2 ukuthi wale taxi mina ngikuprovide ngama-taxi.
Yes.
Ngithana abadlali laba ukuthi nikhambe niyobavazumela umbereko. Bayakhamba kusasa bokudlala eRustenburg bodlala neLerumo Lions ne-Orbit College ngo-3.
Wow.
Then bese babona ukuthi laba abagudi bazothola i-opportunity ukuthi badlalele inhlaba eziphezulu. So indlela mina ngibahelebha ngayo abadlali bekhaya eSlaji eKwaNdebele. Mara ke angibakhombi ngesibhamu ukuthi manginihelebha konje mina ngiyenza with love ukuthi naye man
Hayi bafethu.
Into lengizogcina ngijisa ngakuwe.
Akamarichikisi.
Bangakho abantu obahelebhileko Thando babuya kuwe bathi Thando thank you sila sikhona nje kungenxa yakho.
Abekho.
So-
That's the problem.
Yeah.
We need to change that. You know,
You
because
can't change inhliziyo yomuntu, you can't change the
But we
way
need to
people
change
they
this.
think. Abanye
People
abantu
must
into
change.
umuntu wayithole kade ayifuna uyitholile then done sedindal kuyi ukuthi wena ukurakure kangangani wenzani ebile ubhedero bhala message na nje ngisasho Shakes lo besikhuluma ngaye ngubani khanje ukuthi ubhalile
Elias Mokwa.
yes Elias much better than
Yes.
ukuthula
No,
ukuthula ngikho mina
we always
kungisilengako
appreciate
Yes.
always nje makabona.
I need to have a word no Elias. You must.
Yeah, so-
Bayingaki bangibalela ama player la. Kuzwile ubala nabo Mthweni. Abusanele Barnes they were playing for Shakes rotating. Yeah.
usanele phansi
I'm
mayisanele
telling you. Yes.
udlalele ngaphakathi kwe-rotating badlalela iJuventus
Yabo.
isichema badlalela iJuventus.
oh yes
Yeah, Sibusiso Mbonani udlalele kuPulukane City lo Themazana Mgudulawo.
Wow.
oh yeah
Esimazi nje la ku-tournament adlalela i-Shakes Rotating Tournament.
Yebo.
Umuntu obalo he was playing
Yes.
for Casric Stars.
Wow.
Mara nje sebamrelease.
Yes.
Naye udlalile i-tournament inambele bekadlalele i-Fantasy Family.
Yo.
Yangali e-reverse. So Thabang Rakwena Pelvis Matontsela akasadlali nje
Exactly.
i-professional mara Thabang Rakwena was with Casric
Yes.
but nje bathi bamreleasile mhlambe uzokuthola umbereko somewhere.
wakhe waya ku-TS Galaxy uthaba
Yes,
ngirakwena
yes, okay, waya.
mara bekose bangamlili
urakwena lo yena vele
Yeah.
uyahlogeka.
urakwena konje ukuphi kuPolokwane City nawo
Urakwena. Njeka nasichema ngazi.
Hayi
mara nomunye osuke kuCasrick wayokudlalela i-team le yena uyavutha somewhere eLimpopo
Osuke ku
I think nguye urakwena
hayi urakwena ke
umutshela ne
Oh yes, umujela kusunguye VR. Umujela wasuka ku Castric or ku TS.
wasuka ku Castric waya ku TS.
Okay.
So njena
TS,
wasuka waya
eCape Town
eCape Town mara nje
Stellenbosch.
seka kuSikhukhune.
ubuyele kuSikhukhune na
Yeah.
you know
Yeah, Ntokozo Mthweni lo phosa khulu.
yes
Yeah, naye ngibe nje angabavulela amathuba Platinum Rovers.
yes
So sazokuvulela abaningi. Isifiso sami nje ukuthi kwaNdebele kube namaplayer amaningi akhuphukayo. Then mhlawumbe ukuya phambili kwaNdebele iyodwa mase we need sort of a park la ngizoba nama ground amaningi ngoba last week abadlali labo bakhethileko they were struggling. Umuntu umbona kude ekhaya. Mina makafika la is different. Ireason ukuthi ekhaya akuna loan la bangadlalela khona. So when they come this side kune loan, kune green. So they are struggling green. So obviously ekhaya sini Solomon Mahlangu kuphela green. Then obviously nje angeke satrain abehlaleleki. We need it for PSL games. So mhlambi mara ukuya kwesikhathi saba nenhlanhla ukuthi sibe ne loan lama play cars ukujimela khona. Sibe nama facilities in one place kube ne netball, volleyball. This sporting code nje ibe khona. Isihlokako ekhaya.
Exactly.
Ne academy ukuthi abadlala abancane nabo kube ne academy la bazokukhuthala makuphuma isikole bachinge academy badlala ibhola.
Exactly.
So yeah, kancane mara njengoba i6 routine tournament sipartnere nesenenhlanhla
yes
logistic and project uba mayisa. So ungena kwakhe naye kube sibusiso kithi unyaka lo cala sikhonile ukuthi basikokodele ukuthi hayi man unumuzi oyileko
That's right, yeah.
Sangi sithi thina we busy ibholweni kuphela. Then ngathi mangithoma ngithi ngicela ama donation ngamtshela ukuthi nenhlanhla ukuthi man sine situation nje lo kanjini. So ngoba yena in business sekakhulakhulile then sakhona ukuthi sithola ama donation eswatholeko then sibafaka ihlanza kwaba nomndeni othola indlu ngaphakathi
umndeni lo
esiyindawo
ingawo yawiswa lizulu elikhulu ilala kwaNdebele.
Yes.
yeah.
So nina banithola njani like nabona njani ukuthi man we need to assist them
Kunomuntu wangifonelako ngibani uguy loya number 1 uzangicolela ukuthi angisamkhumbula igama lakhe.
yes
So wangibhalela message at first. Okay, ngawubona message khangibile kuye ngathi okay ngizakubuya ku. Then wabuya kwesithuko sekangifonela into lengayibona ukuthi serious.
ne
That's when ngiposta ku Facebook.
yo
Suddenly yazi sometimes unokuposta into abantu babe negative.
correct
But mhlambe uzifunela wena mara okwangithabisa ukuthi kwaba ne positive respond.
Wow.
Abantu nje bazimisele ukuthi bafuna ukuyihelebha umndeni loyo. Then sakhona ukubambisana ke nabantu abadonatileko abugwebs abafaka amasamende abokhafu nondini abaphosela. Arumbere kumningi omkhulu wenze nguye usinenhlanhla. Because nguye wabhadela abantu abanguye othenga imaterial eminingi neroof yonke ukuthi umndeni leya ithole indlu. Namhlanje bahleli kamnandi.
indlu khona ihle njani
Nami ngifuna ngizakhela yazi.
Yeah, indlu khona ihle khulu. Yeah.
Wow.
So akusiyibholo kuphela.
Yeah.
Masinamandla mina nginitshuthi ukuthi nginemali ngevoice. Abantu abaningi bacanga ukuthi no she's too right ala ngisekhaya ngibereki.
Correct.
You won't see ukuthi mina ngibereki.
Anevele ubonakala njenge millionaire.
Yeah, sure. Mara mangiphumela ngaphandle angiphumeli ngithi angibereki ngiyalokana. So kuba sifundi nebantwini ukuthi man mawuphumela ngaphandle iba umuntu nje uzibuthelele uyiphushe impilo le ngekani ukuthi unala uyifuna ukuthi iye khona izokufika.
Yes.
So mhlambe kancane iminyaka iza kuvuleka ne rotating at least bayangena abasekeli bangene benza ama-tournament sesirejistile sesine-NPO nesitifikate se-NGO.
Yes.
Wow.
So kancane senza into ukuthi zikhambe ngomthetho.
Shakes, what's your take nge-Castric? Obe dry nayifika emnyango nakostingene yona. Bu, phasi. Umraro ukuphi?
Eish. Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyinhlanhla manje.
Ne.
Hayi ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyinhlanhla ngoba mangathi yacala for 3 season.
Exactly.
For 3 season Castric yenza kuhle. Isizini iliya yokuthoma ukungena kulo kanje kuMutsipe. Beyidinga igame ukugcina. Last game ukuthi iwine ingene kuloka ku-Premier League. Then nje sadlala ngo-2-2 iPolokwane City la ingena khona.
Nayo yakora abakhulu abaningi iPolokwane City.
Chairman is doing very well.
I know yena.
Kezulu Mukanzi banoBucks Mthombeni.
Yes.
I-team nje bayirana kuhle. Like they deserve ukuthi bangene ku-PSL. Indlela barana ngayo isichema ngicabanga ukuthi ezinye ingchema ku-PSL abazirani njenge-Castric.
Abanayo i-professional.
Yeah, so lapha ku second division they overstay. So ngicabanga ukuthi inhlanhla.
Bathloga ichuta.
Hayi nje bathloga ichuta. Ungabathi ungaba nako konke. Mara mongana inhlanhla vele ugara inhlanhla.
Ne.
Yeah, and kuba buhlungu ukuthi last season they did very well. Ngeke ubethi Orlando Pirates bese
Ubese ubuye uzokubetshwa.
Ungaqualify.
No, that's true.
Mina bithi mangikhuluma naye sometimes wabuthombeni ngithi yazi indlela endlale ngayo nguhle ngakhona. Kuba buhlungu ukuthi yokona lose players because you did well.
You understand?
Ama player khobaza ubayo wafuna. So ongasenani last season bekumele mabangayitholi promotion straight by at least by
playoffs.
Yeah, but they fail ukuya kuma playoffs. Yeah, but they soldier on. Nonyaka lo babuya ngamandla bayokuzama ukuthi balinge ukuthi bathole promotion. Yeah, so sisafisela nje.
I mean, I think if all fails, man, they need to buy status.
At some
Because
point.
ziyabuya ku Mutsipe.
Yeah, kuMutsipe ziyabuya khona. Yeah, kuMutsipe ziyabuya.
Exactly.
Yabona nini Obitse buyile, Magezi buyile, Cape Town City uyayibona nje ukuthi yakhibelela.
So yakhibelela.
iMutsipe League is a very difficult league. PSL ilula.
PSL ilula.
Ah, iMutsipe League is a very difficult league.
Ngale kusho inokukerekitana obuningi.
They are winning. Phela last season almost 6 teams zonke bezingaqualify kuya kuma playoffs. Bezilokhu bezitshena nga 1
So,
2 enye phambili yephezulu.
Very close. Very close. So kunamagame mani Castric ewalo kanjileko. Ewalisileko we ebemeli ba win. Tala musi ikhona ukubetha iKruger 4-0.
Exactly. Hey,
Bese ikhambi yokudropa ama point. So ucoach ne-chairman noma bangenza konke but indaba isemaplayini.
ngifuna ukutshontsha
Those
lokho
players
NMR.
mina ngokami ngiba bafele
Yeah,
yeah
right.
player yeah because kunamagame amanye bothola swalida 2-0 eDurban le Midland Wanderers yabuya yakhava iCastric yazadlala ngo-3-3
exactly.
lo kanjini Dobsonville bafumana ipenalty mabadlala neLurumo Lions then bayikhutha ipenalty kumele benze 2-1 so ama point la yabadropa in a crucial state ngibe besimbangi zabo bona baya collecta Kruger wena mawuphisa drop ama point
Bona bayadopa.
Kruger was collecting so indaba isema playing ukuthi as much as ama-chairman ayifuna kakhulu i-league nama player kumele kube ngiwo abahelebha kakhulu ukuthi
True.
bayipush into le is doable babonile Obit yangena Magezi yangena so bonke baba overtake endleleni and uNkulunkulu musa akakuphindwe 1 kaningi
Hayi ngeke.
yogcina sekadini uDiamond
Amvulela umnyanga kanje.
Sesimane siyathi umcabanisa ukukhulumela.
udaba isidalo kade ngiphayi kade
Asithanda sonke.
yeah so yeah
Mara,
sifafisa
uyakholwa ukuthi usithanda sonke? Uyakholwa ukuthi usithanda sonke?
Wena kancane nasesikhuluma ngaleyo. Amala seBhayibhelini la yawona wathini? Wathi umkhulu wakhona nomntwana wakhona Simama la kufa.
Hey. So hayi
ngikhumbuza ishow kaGrotman ungikhumbuze nasivala kusikhulume ngayo.
so cousin nje sengimane ibuyele yokulwa kodwa ilokani okumnandi ukuthi nanzi indaba zihle babusukazi walethela amagame ekhaya
Yeah.
uphlikitile nethembisile municipality ukuthi kuba nemidlalo ekhaya ye-PSL so kuyasikhuthaza nabasana abadlala ibhola kuyabakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi sesiyoba ne-PSL ekhaya. We must upload umbereko omuhle wenziwe ethembisile
You
municipality.
see mina ngiyathoma ukubona i-mayor ne-MMC ebereka ngale ndlela azange sibe nabo abantu babereka like that.
Ngitshela khulu
Serious.
bangene
Yeah,
nje
serious. None.
But
You can check from since 1994.
yeah
No, you won. Bangenile baphuma bangena baphuma.
yeah phela mangothi yaqala iSolomon Mahlangade kulinjaya hey at some stage ungafaka ikomo ukuthi yokudlela lapha.
Exactly. Somar besibaya.
Yeah but Mr. Dihale no Dumsani Mahlangu bathe nje ungena man naye bayibanga
Change, ne?
everything
I
changed.
think
very much happy
uDumsani
ngayo.
futhi he's still young. I think
Yeah.
ziningi izinto kufanele azenze
Yeah,
change
yabona into lemangube ikhamba vele ngama-term
Yeah.
then they must get another term.
Uthini yena?
Before baphuka they must get another term.
Yes.
Hayi bayasebenza
Yes.
umasipala ngikhetha hayi
This is on point,
uyawenza
yeah.
umahluko kwaNdebele we are on the map nakho sifuna ukufaka i-Sundowns lapha.
That game was lit.
Yo,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Everyone was a
Bare
VIP.
kwasotsoro like
Yeah.
bayazi ngekani kwaNdebele
Bayazi
neSolomon
ngekani kwaNdebele.
bare kwasotsoro bathi babafakile ngoma kumo stadium.
Yabona?
Yes.
So yeah, hayi, babenza
So
umbereko
Shakes,
omuhle.
I saw one post that you did. Ne? Ethi wena uyaphuma ek-organizing indwezi.
Hayi,
Yeah.
it can't be.
Yini eyenza watlola that post?
Yazi sometimes
Yeah.
into oyithandayo
Ngiyafuna.
wena ngeze wayilisa. Mina njenge-Shakes Rotating Tournament ngibonekala kakhulu today abantu engiba-admirayo Mayimani Phiri Feelings Games yino nje ngifuna ukuthi kube ngiyo ekhona kwaNdebele
Yes.
Okay.
mara banumuze sometimes uncobile athi uthini yena
Yes.
yabona. So
Yeah.
Dallas khona ilo kanjini
Yes.
kwaNdebele. So
Ngiyafuna.
ngicabanga ukuthi asitholi enough support and the more satholi support ukukhula siyakhula
Ngiyavuma.
angeke sihlale sisemakhaya
Ngiyavuma.
angeke sihlale sibancane
Yes.
siyakhula kancane kancane the more ukhula kuba nedingo nawo ozidingako
Abantwana
yabona
bayakhula.
abantwana bayakhula kuba nezinto kuzizenza so not ukuthi mangithi ngiyayilisa ngilisa complete
Yeah.
mara ngicabanga ukuyilisa ukuthi ngingasakhoni ukuyenza iveke neveke mhlambe kube nento engiyenza mhlambe ngiyokufuna umbereko
Mhlambe
ngibereke bese kube ne-Easter Games ne-basketball kube nama-tournament ayi-2 bese maybe someone can take over ebenze i-rotating.
okay. Engifuna ukuthola ubetshwa zimali ama-sponsor ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuyiraka lokho sekube nabantu abafaka imali ukwazi ukuyiraka or vele so udecidile ukuthi no.
Yona mase okuyiraka ayifuni imali ngoba
Serious?
simane senza ama-tournament nje inhlabhezi babheja ngemali abo badlalela imali abo
Oh.
so kuba ukuthi langa lelo mangine-sponsor bangenile babo Sibanyoni unyaka opheleleko abomvimbi Masilela bangenile abo-Civic bangenile so mangena nje abantu labo kula khona kuba nemali eningi esidlalelayo
Uthi kungene ubaba Joseph Fanyoni.
uJose Sibanyoni
Why you change your voice? Why you change your voice?
siyenza i-tournament kababa Sibanyoni i-top 32 and kusithokozisile ukuthi bangene ngaphakathi kwe-tournament babe involve in football babe involve ukuthi sikhulise abantwana bekhaya
Okay.
yabona kusithokozisile lokho hopefully nonyaka lo mhlambe baza kubuya Mvimbi Masilela nayo ungenile eMgwezani Civic ungenile
Wow.
so mabangena nje benza ama tournament layo kuba na something I tournament lo kanjalo ezuza ukuthi sidlalela imali eningi mara ke throughout the year ama-club adlalela imali abo.
Okay. Angisho ukuthi ubaba uSibanyoni naye ungenelele kuma-tournament la. So uthini yena ngokuba ne-team yakhe naye yakwaNdebela?
Hey. Langilela ngiba naye lapha. Wathi mthi sifake incwadi sibhale kheba izama ngithi baba uMazolmane. Bazama ukuthenga
i-Royal AM yes.
Yeah, so zange ngikhe ngibe naye nenkulumo khulu deep naye.
Okay.
Ukuthi why ungabi neclub nani. Yabona?
And coach nguwe like ibe iphume ama-player la aphume from
Shakes rotating.
yes
Yeah,
yes
ngaba
yes.
ndehle khulu. Yeah, ngaba ndehle khulu.
Nami sengine-bigger picture for yona. Please write that letter and send it to Baba uSibanyoni.
Yeah, so bayangena kancane kancane nayizolo bengine-meeting noba uMandla Ibiza Sky.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
naye
Ibiza
loyo,
Sky.
Yeah, kune-tournament ezako mina naye siswene ukuthi
Wow, that's super
yomenzela
great.
i-tournament isikhathi sokuthi uma ngathi yacala mase into eziningi zenzeka eThembisile municipality. Dr. Jace Morocco abanayo ama-activity amaningi. So yeah, something is coming in September for bona.
So how do you survive, Jakes?
Yeah.
How do you make money?
Manginama-tournament inhlapa kuba ne-fee ebanginikeza yona mhlawumbe mazi 16 mhlawumbe bathi Shakes ama 300 ayi-16 uthathe wona. So that indlela engisurvive ngayo.
Okay.
Then bese mangune-sponsor mhlawumbe sithi nangontando mahlangu ukuthi nasi imali engifakayo mhlawumbe athi Shakes thathani imali nasi and then siyakhona ukuthi nekomiti ami ngibale isihlephulelane ukuthi untando makasifakele 50 start 30 sifake ngaphakathi kwe-tournament then bese sibhadale nendleko ze-music ngoba we've got ama-commentator emele siwabhadale. Uboni laba bayakhuzela kabakhuzeli mahhala
Yeah.
bafuna i-500 ngelanga.
Pasi bakanapha njengalapha iGolgeke Jimmy Masters iGolgeke bebekanapha phansi Jimmy Masters ngaphandle mba Malosa isosomalosa amolosa Masters
Kose ngibe nemali ukuthi mangenza tournament wena ama prizes and then bese bahlephulele nabo emalini ukuthi bakhona ukuthola ilokane. So umfazi ngiyawamthatha.
Hayi, umfazi ungenaphi ekuthatheni?
No, ngendlela aphila ngayo. So mina no Shakes almost survive ngale stage.
Izani ngitshela ukuthi nihlokani nina. You can thatha umfazi ozokusupporta. Like wena nangabe ukuthatha umuntu kose uthathe umuntu o-understanda ibhola nomuntu ozo-understanda ukuthi okay now nakufika isikhathi sama-tournament what is it that me I must do. Hayi mina nakufika isikhathi sama-tournament ozokuthi hawa yento enakho leyo mina ngilapho ngiyokurhasha ihlabathi no.
Yeah.
Hands on funeka someone hands on. So ungathi angekhe wamthatha umfazi ungamthatha bengiguye
Bese adleni.
Adleni
adle lokho khona.
That's why mina
That's the problem.
that's why ngicine ngithi man ngcono ngenza ama-annual unyaka ozayo.
Yes.
Mhlawumbe ngiyokuzama ukuthi ngibereke esayidini bese ngama-annual kube la ngenza khona ama-tournament ngoba makuloko sisenza ama-tournament abantu abaningi abangenza ngiyabenzela ama-tournament bahlala kwabo yeah abanye bahlala
Baphila
kwabo
kamnandi.
Yeah.
And they're not coming back. That's the worst part.
Yeah, that's the worst
Yabo.
part, yeah.
yeah.
So Shakes, sizoba no mayor weThembisile Han. The next coming episode niyalandela.
Yeah.
Uthanda ukuthini kuye?
Ubaba uLihali ngithanda ukumthokozisa ngombereko omuhla wenzele iThembisile municipality.
Yeah.
Nendlela to the everything lapha bayi-develop ngiyabona ukuthi nelo kanjini neTofantein kune multi-purpose center yenzakalayo.
Oh.
So ngithanda ukumkhuthaza nje ukuthi into ayenzako aqhubekele phambili angadinwa ngithi nanoma sikokota sithi sibawa ukuthi basisekele ngoba sinethuthi ukuthi vele umasipala nathi so njenge-rotating tournament uyasisekela. uyasisekela nge-Easter tournament. So ngimfisela konke ukuhla kufisela inaga yethembisile. Yes.
And abantu abafuna ukukusupporta, what is it that you need? Because we can't afford ukuthi sikulobe ukuhamba emberegweni ngeke enjoy, not unless kuba ne-soccer team ethi Shakes, we need your skills, we need your experience izizokubereka nathi, like your Orlando Pirates, your Kaizer Chiefs, your TS Galaxy, your Mamelodi Sundowns. Nangabe siyakuluza thina sisichaba sakwaNdebele, kufanele kube ungene ngaphakathi kwama-organization afana nalawo. What is it that you need as a person and it's someone o-organizer ama-tournament la?
Mina into engifisela ikwaNdebele ukuba ne-academy. Ne-academy, and then ngiyazi makune-academy intwana lezi sizokhona ukuthi after school sizibambe kithi. Then mhlambe masine-academy kuzaba mhlambe ne-fee abazali mhlambe bazasinikela yona ukuthi siberegele umphakathi wakwaNdebele. Isifiso iphupho lomuntu alife umnikazi asaphila. Mara sometimes ugcine sobona ukuthi uzokulinda ugcine sokuthi ayikhona into la engiberegile. Mara isifiso sami ukuthi kwaNdebele ibe ne-academy abadlali abasikona bathuthukisa kakhulu.
So abantu abanemali bakusupporta njani? Like your businesses.
So ukuthi
sinama-millionaires ngale.
Yazi waye emntwini wathi ngifuna ngisupport ngemali. Ubonakala ngathi mhlambe wena into yenza lenhle kwenzela imali. Ngoba after kuthiwe kwi-Shakes tournament umasipala uyifande nge-200,000 kwaba ne-commission eningi. Abantu bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe 200,000 le bayifake e-accountini aka-Shakes, Shakes une 200,000. Kanti umasipala une-budget 200,000 ukuthi nanoma yenze unyaka ozako nonyaka loya ekugcineni kwelanga yokuhlangana i-200,000.
Correct.
So angeke sifike kuntando sithi nabezithi asiba usiphe imali engaka. Mara kuba semntwini otsho ukuthi man nginisupporta ngemali engaka. Ngoba sesiyakuthi sesinayo i-tax clearance. Umuntu uyakhona ukubalekela i-tax ngathi.
Yes.
Ngoba we are registered, then siyakhona umnikeza i-tax number ukuthi akhambe ayokuhlisa into zakhe ze-business.
Okay.
Careful. Grootman, what's your take about the episode?
No, Thandos, sithokoza uShakes man. Ngezinye zezinto lezi mina ke sengizokhuluma njengombelethi.
Yes.
Ngoba na ke nginabesana ababili abadlala ibhola. Ngeze bavelela besana bami abantu abafana nabo Shakes bangekho.
That's right.
So kuhle ngombana ke iyenzeke ekhaya lela sibuya khona siyazi intshitshilo zekhaya ukuthi zinjani. Ngiyakhumbula ke thina nasisakhula komfana omdala kwakunabanye abantu besibabiza abomeke. Yalethi ibholo yithi. Ngikahlala eB1 lapha ePhumula. Bekunamajita afana nabo Majabu bebadlalela isicheme esinye bathi Mavarara. Salaba Masango. Efontaine eB2. Iziningi inchemezi. And nawe ehlela kubo Bhokono uDuku ke le uyongenelela kubo Madezen Slope. Talent elaphelela emahugwaneni siyaqhluwa. So i-episode namhlanje iqhakatheke khuluma mbala mina ngingakhuthaza ababelethi. Thina ke la edrobheni into esiyenza kona kunenchema ezikhona besana bethu abazidlalelako. Qobe nyanga sinemali esibhadelako.
Okay.
So nasingafunda into leyo ekhaya le. uShakes lo ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama-fees angeke afane.
True.
Uyabona ngoba kusekhaya nomhlambe nomsebenzi awukho. Kodwa ke into ofanele ithome kumbelethi. Umbelethi nakabona ukuthi unomntwana okwazi ukudlala ibhola kuhle and ufuna ukumsusa endleleni nendakamizweni. uShakes nakathome emzulwini akakhuluma ngeacademy uthi ngifuna kube neacademy ukhuluma into efana nalena nakathi ngifuna kube neacademy akusiyinto ayoyilinda ukuthi kube nomakhiwo omkhulu. Kodwa nakizokuthoma kancane mhlawumbe uzokuthoma ngabesanyana ba-100 or 50 or 20 or 30. But ke thina sibabelethi siyazi ukuthi every month kunemali esiphosele esikhwameni seShakes NPC or NPO foundation. Uyangithola? Iyakhula into le then ukhona nokuhire namanye ama-coach azomsiza. Uyabona? Then ukhona nokubiza nama-legend ukuthi eze azokuscout i-talent. Ngaleyo 20 rand leyo ya every month, ngaleyo 50 rand ya every month uyiphosela lapha uShakes Foundation. Ngiyakutshela into le izokhula. That's my take about today's episode there, Thandos.
Ngiyavuma. Bakuthola phi Monday to Thursday?
Kungakwethu mfana omdala. Kungakwethu. Yanizwa nino ngobza. Nibuzana ngokuthi amala aseBhayibhelini nami ngiwathole mhlapha nje. Umfundisi uBishop uMenzi Mahlangu. Uveze amavesi amanye womndeni wakwa-Abrahama.
Stomo wezo sithi manje
manje njani
abanye babereka nje abasivezeni.
Ngikhambile ngokufuna nomndeni wakaDavida ukuthi nawo unenkinga ziphi. Nomndeni wakaSolomon. Sazinengani into ezenzakala. Kodwa-ke sithokozile Monday to Friday, Monday to Thursday.
Yes.
Singakwethu emhathweni kweKwez FM 9 to 12 ebusuku.
Mara Grootman kungitshele man.
yeah
Kunendoda nazi yathi bathi umngaba uyebele 2
million.
2 million
Yeah.
2 meter
2 million.
yena beyingaphasi kwesofa na
Angekhe wazi waye kanjani kodwa-ke ngendlela mhlawumbe zokubhadelana ngenzeka bebane-project ebayenze endawana imali nakufanele ibhadelwe ngaku-account ebhizinisi yabhadelwa ngaku-account ebhizinisi yomnganakhe. Umnganakhe wacimela wayokuphila impilo emnandi wathenga inkoloyi wakhe ungithusana kade wagula ngehloko ukuthi wahlanya
fanele 2 million
watsho wamlibalela watsho wamlibalela
nge2 million
nge-2 million
everyday nangimbona gama like benemali
naceda ukumlibalela wakhamba umlaphisa ukuthi aphole ekuguleni kwakhe ngehloko. Yeah.
umlaphise nge2 million leya
Ngewazi. So ngale kwalokho wabuya walunga Diamond wabashapa. Imali bakwethu singayiloba sibuye sibe nayo kodwa kusasa. Kodwa na impilo uyilobile.
done.
kunengoma ethi imali yadlulile yelele uqalela elukujabula kuyadligana
Hayi khona kuyachiyana. Grootman sithokoza khulu kwamambala word of the day.
Vele ngiyo le word of the day ngicede ukuyitsho nje ukuthi imali ungayiloba.
Yes.
We can lose money.
Yes.
And regain it again.
Yes.
Yabona? But impilo na uyilobile kuyilobele futhi.
eshayibuyi
Ngiyavuma.
Ayibuyi. So umuntu akaziphathe kuhle azithande azicheche. Siko my story with Thando Mahlangu eNcobile.
yes
Sithokoza khulu kwamambala Grootman. Hlalithwa bakuthola njani abafuna ukusisa entweni oyenzako?
Mina siyatholakala nje sine page lethu le Shakes Rotating Tournament
Yes.
ku Facebook and then bese naku Facebook ngingu Shakes Fiso Kabini
Yeah.
and then bese ngine WhatsApp inumber yami is 078 1184
Yes.
353 uyakhona ungithola kuma calls and WhatsApp bese khona enye i Vodacom 071 615 2336 yeah la ngitholakala khona WhatsApp and Facebook nakhona ku Instagram nakho ngikhona.
wasithokoze
Ngihlala ngikubona upost udade omunye nakabirthday yakho right.
hey uthini
Hawa sengiyatsho.
all right
Hlalithwa sithokoza khulu kwamambala ukuthi uze lapha uzokuhlala nathi usindlalele ngesiko impilo yakho. Sithokoza nombereko wenzela umphakathi owenzela ama superstars wethu ngendlela obadevelopa ngayo neminyango bavulelako kodwa isifiso sami ukuthi babuye bazokusisa babuye bazokuvulela abanye abadlala ngekade badlala njengabo yabona. So siyathokoza manje into yenzako rakela phambili iminyango yakho ivuleke. Ngiyafisa nokuthi enye nje yamathima amakhulu ekubize zokuba boy manager right.
Yeah.
ayobizwa iPirate team mama nangabizwa iPirate ubizwa yiSundowns
Yeah,
siza
sure.
ngeke
Hlalithwa sithokoze khulu kwamambala bekosini bayathokoza.
Siyathokoza.
Bakwethu sigadangisa eGood Life Studios nasemniningwana studio se-TV lesi studio se-FM sikhona ngale nafuna ukugadangisa ama-voice funa ukugadangisa incwadi funa ukugadangisa ama-inspirational audios sikhona ngale se-FM ngaphange se-TV nafuna ukuhlala la sinama-show amnandi ungakwethu lapha bakwethu na ungachecka i-episode i-podcast kaMama Mabhuma yenza very well bakwethu
Very like-
ivisit mama bhuma ne
Yeah. Ithi let's heal together.
Let's heal together, yes.
Asipholeni so kungapholi
Pholeni
wodwa.
emoyeni.
Yeah.
Pholisa omunye nomunye
kunodade
kwazi
omunye
ukuphola.
lapha batsho bambophisa umuntu wakhe sayibamba ku next episode
Exactly nakho.
umuntu wakhe umbophise kayi more than 12 times
Khanchi.
ya kusho ukuthi nakazizwa ngathi ufuna umbophisa da lo yangiswenya
Mina
Safuna
ngibona
ukuyokucheat.
nakafuna ukuthi ngwi ibophisa le ukuthi le
abophisi lo yokulala amezi wakho wamathi waphela
No, mina ngithokoza ithuba ninile lona ukuthi khulume nabalandeli nababukeli be-Good Life Show.
chesa
Thokoza.
sithokoza khulu kwamambala
Sami ibizo ngingcibile ngokamasuku umntazana emanaleni unaphenyani uthengisa ku R573 ingwani ezigwalweko nobuhlobo kobonela bakwethu iwele ene iyabuya ke nje ngasikade sithabe kangangani sokudlama cha cha cha
umbuzo omkhulu uthi
uthini Shekso uthini yena that's a wrap
Thando mahlabu ilizwi lesintu indodana yomhlabathi sithi khubeka ungaphela amandla amandebele azophumelela siyakukholwa thando mahlabu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila ngawe